No, don't tangle. Okay.
Come to me, come to me.
Come over here.
Come over here.
Yep.
Right.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Bring yours up real quick, they're gonna get tangled.
My weight, I got it.
Yep.
Thanks, Mikey.
Magic touch.
Magic touch.
Yep.
I found it fighting, I pulled it, I'm like, oh, now you got it.
Yep.
Superior drag.
Yep.
That sounds like.
You got a freaking 120 pound. You can crank that drag up if you want. You don't have to let it run. Yep.
I'm too weak.
Yeah, just check your leader when you come up too. Man, hold up. That's my control special. I can't catch shit. I lost a Vermilion snapper.
Heavy.
Yep.
Man, this rod's holding up well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired now. Probably Amber, right? It's fighting too much.
I don't know. It could be anything. Huh, they ate my ladyfish, but they didn't want to touch my mullet. Yep, it could be.
I'm so tired.
You got it?
I gotta do the James Conn.
Two-speed lever drag, tough shit. You don't have to write. Oh, looks big.
Jack.
Deckhand.
Deckhand. Deckhand. Deckhand. What? Deckhand.
Hopefully that's yours and no one tries to jack your shit.
Deckhand.
They're gonna try to take your shit.
Wait for the deckhand. You want to got it? Ooh. I don't know. Just wait for the deckhand.
Yep. Michael Cho special. Good job. Yeah, that's two good snapper right here.
Keep it in the water. Let's not pull it out.
Deckhand!
leave it in the water. What are you doing? Don't pull it out. Hey, don't pull it out. Hey, don't pull it out. Pull it out. I mean, what's my fish? Oh, you have one on? Yeah, that's me. Oh, shit.
Big flag? Big flag?
Look up.
Oh, interesting. Look at that.
Good job, Michael Cho.
Thank you.
Yeah.